Hello dear students, welcome back to our new video of chemistry chapter number 3, atoms and molecules. So now we have idea about what are atoms and how small they are, and in the previous video we have seen how John R. Dalton have given his theory about the existence of atoms and how it behaves okay, and plus the other scientists also have seen so many drawbacks, so we have discussed. So in this video we will discuss about the symbols of different elements. Students, I can speak English and Hindi, so in that way the other people can speak Bengali, Punjabi. So with the people around us speaks different languages, the people abroad can speak other languages like French, Italian, European. So in that way chemistry has its own language, the language of chemistry. Like in English and Hindi, in English if we say the alphabets. The first of all there is discovery of alphabets. Then when alphabets comes together, they form words, and words combine together to form sentences, and then sentences gave us the meaning of something if I want to say about anything. Similarly in chemistry also there are alphabets in the chemistry which represents the language of chemistry. Okay, like Ajay Kumar Singh can be abbreviated as AK Singh. Okay, AK Singh, Prime Minister, can be abbreviated as PM. United Kingdom can be abbreviated as UK. Similarly, there are more than 100 elements discovered in chemistry so far. So all those elements have their symbols, so that the students and the people can remember those symbols of the elements, and when we want to use it we can use it. Okay, so here the branch of chemistry, that is IUPAC name, under IUPAC name, which is the abbreviation of International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. In that system scientists and the people have symbolized so many elements, almost all the elements which are in the periodic table and which has been discovered so far. Okay, so previously, before these symbols, John Dalton have given the symbols, figurative symbols. Here I have not written it. Figurative symbols for elements. Figurative symbols like hydrogen. Hydrogen was symbolized as circle with a dot inside. Oxygen as big circle. Carbon as a circle with C. So here only 3 examples I have given. There are so many other examples, and the figurative symbols of those elements has been given by the scientist John Dalton. But to remember these symbols of all the elements was very tedious and very difficult. So the scientist called Berzelius have given the symbols of the elements which has been discovered so far. Okay, so there he formed certain rules to form the symbol of different elements. He said whatever the name of the elements he have given the symbol of that element with the first capital letter of that element. Suppose like carbon, the spelling of carbon is CARBON. So carbon has the symbol of carbon he has given as capital C. But with C, so many other elements are also there, like chlorine. Chlorine also starts with C. Cobalt also starts with C. Calcium also starts with C. So how to differentiate between these elements which starts with the letter C and with the carbon who is having the symbol C only. Okay, so what he said, to give the symbol of these elements with the first letter capital and the second letter as small, second letter small. So here second letter, not third letter, he have given chlorine Cl, cobalt the second letter O, and calcium the second letter Ca. Okay, chromium Cr, and here copper. Copper is the element whose name has been taken from the Latin name cuprum. Cuprum, so Cu. Okay, so here are some symbols. I have tried to show you what are the symbols of these elements. This is boron, B, carbon, C, fluorine, F, hydrogen, H, helium. You see hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen also starts with the capital H and helium also with capital H. So differentiate between them. The second letter with hydrogen H as small. Second letter will be smaller case. Then iodine I, oxygen O, phosphorus P, sulfur S, sulfur and silicon again, sulfur with the capital S and silicon again with the capital S, and the second letter as small letter. And aluminium Al, barium Ba, beryllium Be, bromine Br, and these things we have discussed. Now lithium Li, magnesium Mg, manganese Mn, nickel Ni, neon Ne, nitrogen N, zinc Zn, chromium Cr, silver, and some of these elements, the name of the symbols of these elements which is written separately over here. The names of the symbols of these elements have been derived from the Latin names. I don't remember, so I am reading it from the book. So the Latin name of silver is argentium. So its symbol is Ag. The Latin name of copper is cuprum, so Cu. Gold is aurum, so Au. Iron is ferrum, so Fe. Mercury is hydrazium, so Hg. Potassium, kalium, so K. Sodium, natrium, the Latin name is natrium, so the symbol is Na. Lead, plumbum, so the symbol is Pb. So like that, the Berzelius given the symbols of these elements. Now these symbols will be taken as the alphabets in the chemistry language, and when these alphabets means, the alphabet means when they combine, they will combine to form molecules and compounds, and they will give the proper meaning of the chemicals in world of chemistry. So this is all about symbols in chemistry. Thank you so much.